Hi, my name is Sandy and today we are making a shopping bag holder, but not just any shopping bag holder, an owl shopping bag holder. This is actually one of my best sellers from my Etsy shop. A super simple, quick project that can pretty much be the perfect handmade present for Christmas. Or Halloween, really. Now, you can do this project in any size you want, and you can also do the simple version I made in this video over here, or add the extra applique figurine like I will be doing next. Shopping bag holders are extremely useful, to store those shopping bags we never know what to do with, but I've also sold shopping bag holders to store diapers, baby clothes, and even doggy poop bags. So your imagination truly is the limit. Now, I promised you quick projects and I meant it. So let's get started, shall we? I've already gone and cut the 18 by 19 inch rectangle to cut a 12 by 4 inch strip for the handle. And as far as other supplies go, all you need is these two pieces of elastic. Trust me, I once tried it with that string elastic and boy was I in trouble. Now, our first step is sewing the upper and lower pouches where the elastic is going to go, and depending on how wide your elastic is, I would say that something close to half an inch will do fine. Next, we are going to do the handle. So I fold the fabric inwards like this and then fold again, and it's ready for sewing. After that, I sew the handle onto our shopping bag, like so. Okay, now this is the part where you decide if you want to add something to your design, and for my shopping bag holders, that's usually an owl or a cat. You can look at any template or cutout you find online, or you can design one yourself if you'd like I did. Now, if you'd like me to find a way to share my template for this owl I'm going to use, just let me know in a comment below so I'll start thinking of ways to make that happen, okay? It's still early days with this channel, so I haven't really prepared anything, but if it's something you want, I can make that happen, no problem. Okay, so now for the owl. First, I'm going to sew all the pieces together. And next, I'm going to stitch them onto the shopping bag holder. All this little owl needs right now is a face. And again, I've cut the eyes and the nose. You can use felt or fabric for these, or add buttons to the eyes if you don't have a small child handling the shopping bag holder, okay? If not, I find that fabric or felt are much more safer. Here we go, we're almost there. Now we're adding the elastics, and for that we are using this safety pin. Looking good, right? All there's left to do is close the shopping bag holder like this. And here it is, our finished shopping bag holder, quick and easy as promised. Now, if you have any questions, just leave me a comment below letting me know, okay? And again, if you'd like me to share those owl molds with you guys, please let me know and I will think of something. I hope you had fun. I know I did. Thank you for joining me and I will see you soon. Bye bye.